together.
Hola!
Hola.
Babka's together a few times. This happens.
Babka's
but
gone
great
wild.
times. Babka's have gone wild.
We're on the West Coast Trail, and this is a little tip on drying your undies and your shorts.
Yeah, after going swimming in a waterfall.
Yeah.
For a shower.
So the basic idea is don't catch them on fire.
Don't do this.
Don't do this.
As I'm tempted
which
to do.
Maya always does.
Instead, hang it over here.
Really, patience is your key, I think.
Yep, let them steam. You think they're smoking, but really it's steam.
And a little smoke.
And now
But as Mike so elegantly put it, it covers what?
The smell of your balls.
Exactly.
But I'm doing it the easy way.
He's taking a page out of Survivor Man's book. He's becoming friends with Survivor Man.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, guys.
Drinking water.
Let's
All right,
invite
I think
Survivor. Maybe Survivor Man will join us next time.
And we'll get an interview with Survivor Man. All right.
Hola.
Signing off.